Hey guys, my name is Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be packing for a 7-day cruise aboard the Harmony of the Seas. We leave in the morning. Yes, I know, last minute packing. I hardly ever do this, but this is where we are. We leave tomorrow morning. We're gonna take a couple of days to get down there. We're going to Port Canaveral, and then we board on Sunday. So let me take you around. I've got everything laid out, so I'll take you around to the other side of the room, and I will show you what I've got laid out and what I'm taking for a 7-day cruise. Also, side note, if you've been following me for a while, you know that we don't usually dress up very much. Main dining room. We're not doing Chops Grill or anything like that. So there probably won't be any like formal wear or really fancy dresses or outfits, but it's mostly just casual. But let's get into the packing. Alright guys, like I said, we are leaving tomorrow. We're sailing out the Harmony of the Seas on Sunday. I just brought everything up here and laid it out on my craft room table, so it would be easier to show you everything that I am taking on this trip. Alright, the first stack is a couple of undershirts, like a little tank top, and then my nightgown. This stack up here is a pair of leggings, a pair of jogging pants, and then a pair of like capris, and then there's a pair of bike shorts under there for under a dress that I have. This is just a stack of a few 6 t-shirts, I think. This is one pair of shorts, one pair of jeans. This is 2 bathing suits, and then a little gauzy bathing suit cover up that I got at Aerie. This is the dress that I was talking about, and then 2 like super flowy sleeveless jumpsuits, and then 1 workout top. I'm also taking a pair of water shoes, and then these are a few like extra bits and bobs that we're taking. This little non-surge power strip, some magnetic hooks, some chair clips for the towel at the beach, and then these little waterproof cases. I also have a light sweatshirt around here somewhere that I'm packing, but I can't seem to locate it right now, and also there is a shirt that goes with that outfit that is in the washing machine. Don't forget, this is my socks, underwear, and bras. You'll see a video on these coming soon. Then this is some camera stuff. This is all my camera equipment, and then an extra tripod for taking the proctored COVID test tomorrow. Then over here on this side is mostly like extras, toiletries, that kind of stuff. This is my hat for the beach. This is all of our like emergency stuff, band-aids, medicines, that kind of stuff. This is my makeup, pair of slippers, a laundry bag, my hair dryer, and my flat iron. This is a bag of like hair stuff, brushes, clips, hair scrunchies. This is all of our sunscreen and lip sunblock, after sun spray. This is all of my toiletries. This is pretty much the same thing that was in the last time I did a what's in my toiletry bag video, so I'll link that in the description box. This is a little hair thing that pulls my hair back when I am washing my face, and then I'm going to take a few sheet masks, and then that is a little makeup remover towel that I use to wash my face at night. This is my husband's razor, and then this is where I keep all of my motion sickness medications. So I know exactly where it is. It's always in the same container, and in an emergency, this is where I go. As far as shoes, I'm taking these Crocs that I have that look like sneakers, and then this pair of like Birkenstock knockoffs that I got at Marshall's, and I'm also taking 1 pair of like running shoes, sneakers, but I'll be wearing those in the car on the way down. I'm also taking this meshy black beach bag that I just got today at Walmart, and I still need to gather up our prescription medications, and I think that's all. Now I just need to get it into packing cubes. Alright, I have double checked my list, triple checked my list, and these are the things I need to try to get into the suitcase. You guys, it's been so long since I took this much on a cruise. But you know, you get into that mindset of, well, I'll just take it because we're driving and I've got room in the car. And at this point, do we have room in the car? And then I also need to this like extra cruisy stuff, I need to find a place for it, and I need to find a lanyard. And then other than that, I need to get it in the suitcase and hit the road in the morning. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did and you want to follow along on all of our travels, then I would invite you to subscribe with the notification bell turned on. That way you can be notified anytime I post new content. And for the next foreseeable future, it's going to be all about the harmony of the seas. So if you want to follow along in all our travels, then I would really appreciate it if you would consider subscribing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!